What's going on, everybody? I wanted to give some updates on what's happening with Earlybird Morning Cocktail. So right now we're getting into these nice holiday months. We have gone like bonkers in the world where we're out there buying gifts for everyone. And one of the things that I wanted to share with you while I'm making this video is I love the fact that I have my shaker with me. I wanted to show you the inside of this. Nice and clean. I've had this for about 7 months now. Still smells just like it was brand new. It's got a little bit of orange scent to it, and that's just because of the Earlybird. But this has been the thing that has kept me going, especially when it gets darker a lot sooner, and also because I'm getting up a little bit early from the workout, so I'm seeing a lot of darkness. Earlybird Morning Cocktail has been one of the best things that I've added to my routine, and it's still producing. Just to give anybody just a quick recap, it's a really simple process. You take, and let me just show you the inside of this powder. We got 1 scoop. And it's a really simple scoop. It's, when I say simple, it's not one of those gigantic ones. Take a couple of scoops, dump it into the shaker, mix it with water, and you leave it by your bedside at the end of the night. When you wake up in the morning, early bird, you shake that up, drink it, and you're ready to go. This has been the most sustainable energy that I have found that is a coffee alternative. I know as we go into this new year, lots of us are going to start making some different decisions, especially because coming into this holiday season, we are going to be eating a little bit more, maybe partying a little bit more, maybe having a few more drinks. But going into the new year, we're going to be really mindful of our health, and I've already started making sure I reduce my caffeine intake. So Earlybird has really helped me out with getting ahead of that by being a caffeine-free alternative that is safer, and it's going to have a lot more natural ingredients. To support my goals going into the next year, and honestly currently this year, I'm looking for more natural sources of energy. And what I was looking for, how I originally got on Earlybird, was an easy way for me to wake up to find a coffee alternative, because coffee gave me the jitters, it gave me the shakes, and I noticed I didn't like the way that I was feeling. So in my pursuit, how I discovered Early Morning Cocktail, because I was going through so many different trials and tribulations trying to find the best brand for me. And when I found Earlybird Morning Cocktail, this has been the best one for me. And it's not just because of the L-tyrosine, or the antioxidant blend, or the green tea extract, or the turmeric powder, or the L-theanine. It's about me knowing every single ingredient that goes into this, and I understand how it affects my body, but also without giving me an upset stomach, which was something that showed up a lot. But since using Earlybird Morning Cocktail, I've noticed that all of those symptoms completely subsided. And since using Earlybird Morning Cocktail, I have felt a much better routine throughout my day. And I can't say enough about it. If you want to learn more about Earlybird Morning Cocktail, you can check this video out where I have a more thorough breakdown, or you can click that link in the description down below, and you can use that link to go right directly to their website. And also they have a money-back guarantee that is absolutely wonderful if you want to try it out. But regardless, stay tuned for some updates coming soon. Talk to you later. Bye. Oh, by the way, if you have any questions, drop them down below. I'll be happy to answer them for you.